Hi, this is the Knotman, and I'm down pool today in Dorset, England, and I thought I'd just show you these. And as a young man, as a child, I actually used to climb through this whale and slide through his mouth and out the back of him. So how about that, back in my youth? So I can't believe they're back out display, but you can't get on them anymore. And used to go through the hippo's mouth as a child, and we used to climb on this one. So bit of memorabilia for me. So the Green Planet team are out and about and planning our next trip. I thought we'd just show you something very exciting from my past. So there's the old whale. Don't think it remembers me, but I remember the whale and all the good fun. Anyway, thank you for viewing this, and thanks for watching, and take care. Happy memories from the past.